Hello and welcome back to my channel. Right, God bless you. God bless you. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, compliment of the season. Don't forget to send in my Christmas gifts. Right, like I've been reminding you all. Right, so today what do I have for you? Yeah, what do I have? I have a powerful 736 chord. Yeah, and I'm going to show you right now. Yeah, you know I don't delay stuffs. Okay, so we're going to be in the key of C sharp. Yeah, so I do stuffs on every key so my viewers can learn on every key, right? Yeah, so but I also follow your request also when you say I should do it in a key, and if there's a good number of people asking for that, because I like my videos to get good views, I always do it in those keys. So today we're going to be in the key of C sharp. So a good song you can use for 736 chord, like this song, for you are great, you do miracles so great, there is no one else like you, there is no one else. For you are great, you do miracles so great, there is no one else like you, oh, there is no one else like you. Alright, so that's a good song to use for 736, and I just to tell you that there are millions of songs that have this same progression on their composition. So right, so let me show you this. Let's use the same song. So for our 736, for you are great, you do miracles so great. So for beginners where you hear 736, they're like, what's that? That's the number system. It's called the number system. Your major scale, do re mi fa sol la ti do, as a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 or 1. Choose one. All right, so let me quickly show you this chord. So your one chord, you always know that you can use your triad. You can start with triad. Just try and trick people like I'm that simple player by starting with triad, and then you start throwing wicked chords, and they're like, oh wow, who is that? Is that the same guy that started with a triad? This guy, I mean, sometimes you surprise people. Yeah, I'll be teaching you all that in the coming year. All right, so yeah, it's not every time you quickly show people that you. Sometimes I just play simple and people are like, oh, this guy is just a simple guy. Yeah, until I take things and they're like, yeah, is that the same guy? I mean, so that's life. All right, let's dive into this. So we have our one chord. So the seventh chord is going to feature E flat major 7 on your right hand. Imagine, yeah. So the theory, my theory behind this is, in your key, you go old tone, old tone, right, forward, and then you play the whatever note it is. You play this major 7 of that key. So in this case, we have E flat. So you play. Most times I do the second inversion also, preferably on your 7. So 1, so on your 7, your left hand will feature your major second, that key, whatever key it is. You play the major 7 chord of it, preferably the second inversion of the major 7. So you have something like this, right? So for you are great, you do miracle, and they're like, what's that? So before they are done with that, you try another one. So great, there is no one else like you. Let me just show you all this now. So we have a 1 chord, 7 chord. I explained that, right? So the 3 chord, right? It features a major 7 sharp with a sharpened 5th, raised 5th, right? So we have A, C sharp, F, and A flat. Or your 3, don't forget your 3. I just called the right hand chord, but it's going to be your 3. If you have a basis, your basis can do that for you, right? All right. Okay, so I've given you the 7 chord, I've given you the 6 chord. So I've given you the 7th chord, the 3 chord, then the 6. I like this. Very nice chord. I think I got nice chords, right? Yeah, let me know in the comment section. Right. Okay, so we have a B flat, F, and A flat on the left. On the right, you have a C minor 7. You can see C minor 7, right? So I've done 7, 3, 6. I won't be doing 2, 5. No. I just stay on that 6 like a chairman. Just stay on that 6, 6, and then you do this up for your 1. So you skip what? What did we skip? We skip 5, right? Is that 5? 6? No, we skip 2. Yeah, we skip 2. Then we do 5. And play a chord that looks like 1 on it. We have a 1, 5, flattened 7th, 2. Sorry, when we have flattened 7th already. So we have a 9, 11, and then your 9 also. Let me give you the notes. They are C sharp, A flat, B, E flat, F sharp, and oh, I'm blessed. And E flat. So we have this. Then that takes you to your 4. Right. So on your 4, you do something like 1, 3, 6 by I hit the 5. So for you are great, you do miracle so great. There is no one else like you. Yeah. 3. There is no. I'm sure I've showed you this chord. No one else like you. This 251 chord I showed. There's a video where I taught that already, so you can check that. God bless you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for many more. All right. God bless you. Bye.